How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of me, DYang. We are out here in Oshkosh. You guys can see here, I got my 2-pole setup, right? 1, 2, cut baits, shrimp, and hopefully we catch some catfish today. I don't know how it's gonna go. It is pretty darn hot out. It's at least 80. We're gonna sit and wait. Hopefully we can find some catfish. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys out on this awesome water. Look at that guy go. Woo, it's fast. Lots of boat activity. Alright guys, so I picked this spot because there is like a house right here. I don't know, I just think this shelter, there's like structure for the catfish to run through. Hopefully they're here. I don't know. I've never really catfished for catfish in Oshkosh, but I hear that there's some pretty big ones. We'll see if we catch anything. It is pretty darn hot, I'll tell you guys that. Really hot. Oh, where'd it go? Oh no, no! It popped off! That was a fish. Oh, I felt that. No, it popped off. It cut me off, guys. Oh, what? No way. Got him. I got him, guys. I got him. That's a nice fish. Oh gosh, I got him. I gotta hurry before the other one goes. Oh, that's a nice cat. That's a nice cat. Oh my gosh. That's a nice cat. Oh jeez. I think it's a cat. That's what it is. Oh, it's a sheephead. It's a big sheephead. Oh my god, dude, he's huge. Whoa. Oh, it's a nice sheephead. Freaking inhaled it too. Alright guys, so just got this pretty big sheephead here. Not what we're looking for, but it's a start. Fought real hard. I'm just gonna have to just rip it out, I guess, and he's pretty much a goner. So hopefully he survives. Stay tuned. Alright, well, this guy's pretty much a goner, so I just cut the line and then it's pretty much it. He's done. It's in his gills, so sorry dude, I couldn't save you. Hopefully it's not just sheephead city and maybe catch 1 or 2 cats. That'd be pretty sweet. I got this one closer to shore and I got this one way out there, but there's a lot of waves, there's a lot of current going on here. Oh, that's a fish, that's a fish. That's a fish. Yep. That was a hard tap. Got him, got him. I got him. It's a little, oh, it's a runner. It's a runner. Nice. Oh god, now it's digging. Oh, it's another sheephead. Great. Oh. Pretty guy. Oh, there he goes. Dang, already. That was a pull. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh no, it popped off. No, it broke me off. What the heck, man? What's going on? All right, I think it's time to move. Let's just go up the stream just a little bit. New spot. Piece of meat. Oh, I got him. I got him. Oh. Oh, it's a catfish. Nice. Oh, no, don't stuck. It's a nice cat. Oh shit. Nice.
What is that?
Catfish, channel.
Cat.
The skinny guy though, I'm gonna let him go.
Yeah.
Nice. Found him. Got him. That's another one. He's running right at me. Well, I don't know what this is. I think it's a cat. It's not coming out. Oh, jeez, jeez. Chill. Oh, it's a giant sheephead. Oh, nice. Big sheephead. Wow. You're a goner, buddy. Dang, it's all in your stomach. Ah. Oh, I think there's another one. Got him. Yep. Back to back. Oh, jeez. That's a nice fish. Oh gosh. Peeling drag. What is this? Dude, back to back. Dang, back to back action, guys. That's a nice fish. That's a real nice fish. Oh, that's a real nice fish. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is it flathead? It's peeling my drag. It's not letting me go. What the heck? Oh my gosh, what is this? Dude, he's peeling. That's a giant. It's not surfacing, it's not a sheephead. Oh, it's huge. Oh, it's a giant sheep. Oh my gosh. This it's a giant sheephead. Whoa. God, this thing is like 10 pounds. What the freak? Oh, my goodness gracious. Guys, this thing is like 10 pounds. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't even lift him. Oh jeez. Oh, stay. I cannot even lift him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy smoke. Do you have a plier? Check this thing out. Whoa. Dude, this thing's massive.
Wow, that thing is huge.
Whoa. Look, I caught one and this guy just...
Look how big that mother...
Like 10 pounds.
Yeah, holy cow.
I need you to take a picture. I've never seen one this big before.
Come and take a picture?
Yeah. Let me get my camera real quick. All right, we're at zero, guys. Buddy here, what's your name?
Matt.
Matt, all right, Matt's gonna help me out here. Oh my God, her skin is just...
Got her? He'll hold on.
There he goes. Oh, dude, this thing is like 12, 15, guys. 12, 15. I'm shaking 12 pounds. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, let's call this absolute take. 12 pounds, 15 ounce. Wow, it's amazing. I'm shaking. This thing looks like a redfish. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go guys. So we're gonna let her go. £12, 15 ounce guys. Look at that thing.
Look at the color on it in the water. It looks
it's
nice.
Like gold.
Yeah, it's gold.
Okay, she's ready to go. Fish like this, monstrous, man. She'll go. Yeah, she'll go. There she goes. Hell yeah, dude. Oh my gosh, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it, bro. Alright guys, I don't know what the heck just happened there, but we caught a giant 12 pound, 15 ounce sheephead. Like, I am shaking right now because I thought it was a giant flathead, but it wasn't. It was a giant freaking drum. And I know I keep calling it sheephead because we grew up calling it sheephead, but it is a drum, freshwater drum. That was so cool, guys. And then Matt there just... Oh, I got a bite, Go! I got another one. Hey, Matt, I got another one. Oh, it popped off. Sorry about that, guys. Just non-stop action. Anyways, let's get back to some fishing. Woo! It's a fish. Let's hope it's another giant. Got him. Dude, they run right at the shoreline too. Come on, surface, baby. Surface. Oh my gosh. So it's another nice sheephead. Oh nope, I can't flip it. I can't flip her, dude. Crap. Nice drum. Sorry, I keep saying sheephead. Glad I got the swim bait rod. Just I force them in, you know. They fight so hard, guys. Anyway guys, just caught this ugly looking deformed. Look at the head. That's gross. Alright. Back in water go.
Oh, you got something there. Yeah. Yeah. Big one, dude.
Oh, there it goes. I got him. Oh, jeez. You got him? Damn, what a fighter. What is this? It's not coming out. nice sheep head. Oh shit! No, no, no! Fish. What? Oh, he's on. Yep, he's on. He's on. That's a nice fish. Dude, what the heck? Oh, stop paying attention. Please stay on. Please stay on. Oh my gosh. That's a nice fish. What is it? It's running right at me. And it's a nice drum again. Yeah. Woo, guys. That is it. Here you go, guys. Freshwater drum. This is it right here. Last fish of the day. I'm gonna head out. Had a good time. Fishing for these were just way too much fun. Thank you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.